So I have the new PS5 DualSense Edge controller, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove and possibly replace the stick modules. Now this is a stick module, and for this one, it's been made very simple. So the first thing you need to do is remove the faceplate, and that's even simpler. So the faceplate has a release button, you can see it right here, and all you need to do is push it to the right, and that's going to release the faceplate. So just put your finger underneath there. You might need to dig in a little with your nail, and then push it to the right, and you'll see the faceplate pop up. And all you need to do now is remove it. Okay, so just pick it up and put it to the side. Now, having done that, that exposes the thumbstick modules. Now, to remove the one on the left, there's a latch on the left hand side, and all you need to do is pick up that latch. Just lift it up like this. Just pick up the latch like that. And once the latch is picked up, the stick module will push slightly to the front, and you can remove it just like that. Okay, so there is your thumbstick module, and you can do the same for the one on the right hand side. So just lift that latch and pull out the thumbstick module. Okay, so if you have replacement thumbstick modules, or maybe you just want to return these ones, then it's the same process. So just place it in. You can see the rails here. They should go into this rail guide right here. So just place it there. Make sure you're not using too much force. So just align it properly like that, and make sure it slides in simply without any too much force. Okay, and then push it, and once it's inside, you can now just, while you're still holding it, just bring down the latch, and it's going to go back in place. Same for the one on the right. Just place it like that, and make sure it's very simple to push it in. And once it reaches there, you can hold it and then pull down the latch just like that, and that's going to hold it in place. And then once you do that, you can now put back the faceplate by just putting these pointers, this one and this one on the other side, into the two holes here. Just put it like that, and then drop it down, and then press it, and it's going to lock in place. It's as simple as that. That's how to remove and also change the thumbstick modules on the PS5 DualSense Edge controller, the new controller. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.